밤 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 going 이불 속에서 going 은 언제나 너에게 going.
Hello guys, introduce myself. My name is Claudia Belenica. I majored in accounting technocrat Indonesian University. In this video, I'm in discuss history and development of accounting. Since around 3000 years before church, namely Ekpain culture saw that Ekpain warehouse in the past were used as evidence showing the recording of transaction. At this time, the warehouse was used as the place to store valuables such as gold, wheat, games, textile, and livestock. Then the Babylonian culture showed that on thousands of Babylonian clay tablets show some general notes about the accounting system, namely how much money and goods were received, the name of the person who gave it, the name of the person who received it, and the date of the incident. In addition, there are also expenditure tablets that are recorded on the outflow of the entity, which contains a list of the amount of money and wealth spent as a result of internal users, purchase, leases, and others. Sometimes it also records cost, profit, and production, which include what profit are received, who received them, the reason for receiving them, and also the date of receipt. For records of production, it consists of a list of the is made and to whom it is sold, while the record of the bond consists of information about the amount and basis of the commodity lent, the interest rate, the name of the borrower and the borrower, the time of payment, specification regarding the method of payment, witness and debts. Iksan et al. 2016. The Greek period were Zenon of the Apollonios region introduced in detailed accountability accounting system where each section was managed by a supervisor who led a daily account of the activities under the jurisdiction. Written documents present every transaction, including taking the form of account for borrowing money and other assets received by the head of the section. In the Roman period, there was allowed the recurrent taxpayers to report on the financial position, where civil right depended on the amount of property reported by its resident. Bookkeeping records show the Romans' passion for organization and administration, where there was a diary record for income and expense. Luca Pacioli's contribution, Italian bookkeeping, developed along with the development of Italian trade and the use of double entry bookkeeping method in the 14th century. The first known double entry book was the Masari bookkeeping from Genoa, which was dated from 1340. This double entry bookkeeping was developed about 200 years earlier than Poccioli. Raymond de Rover, Riahi, and Belcaui described the early development of accounting in Italy as follows. The greatest achievement of Italian trades around and was the combination of various elements into an integrated categorization system called account and developed based developed based on the principle of double entry bookkeeping for all transactions. Luca Pacioli was a Franciscan priest who is identified with the introduction of double entry bookkeeping for the first time. Summa de Arithmetica, Geometria, Proportioni et Proportionalita, which contains two chapters, namely the Computis et Scripturis, which explain double entry bookkeeping. He said that the purpose of bookkeeping is to provide traders with undeliable information about the state of the asset and liabilities. Debit and credit are used in bookkeeping to ensure double entry. If there is a credit, then there must be a debit, and there are three books used, namely a memorandum, a journal, and a ledger. Pacioli success that not only the sum of the buyer or seller be recorded, as well as a description of the goods with weight, size or measurement, result, and price, but the terms of payment should also be shown, and whenever money is received or disbursed, the record should show the type of currency used and the exchange rate. At the same time, considering the short life of business enterprise, Pacioli success the consolidation of the profit for a period and the closing of the books, that it is a good idea to close the books every year, especially if you have a partnership with another party. Frequent accounting records will expand friendship. Development of a double entry bookkeeping because of Pacioli and his famous Italian method that spread throughout Europe. We are familiar with the double entry bookkeeping model, and until now it has continued to develop into the bookkeeping model that we know. Chasing, Riahi, and Belkawi record a series of development of double entry bookkeeping. Because of Pacioli and his famous Italian method, the spread throughout Europe in the centuries. We are familiar with the double entry bookkeeping model, and until now it has continued to develop into the bookkeeping model that we know. Chasing noted a series of developments, namely in the century there was a change, namely the introduction of special journals for recording various types of different transactions, which include the use of special additional books, for example, to record just a transaction. Accounting development in other countries, England, Canada, and Australia, as well as several British Commonwealth countries, have something that is the same as CPA, Certified Public Accounting, namely Chartered Account CA in England, the British Commonwealth, and several other former British states will Chartered Certified Account atau ACCA in England, International Account AIA in England, Certified Public Account CPA in Ireland and Hong Kong, and Certified Practicing Account CPA in Australia. For Canada, there are the institutions that are the same as CPA, or Certified Public Account, namely the Canadian Institute of Chartered Accounts, or CA, the Certified General Accounts Associate of Canada, CGA, and the Society of Management Account of Canada, through CMA. CA was formed in CGA was formed based on an Act of Parliament. CMA was formed in the difference between CGA, and CMA is that if CA is intended to become a public account and must have an auditing experience from a public account firm. CGA is intended to choose a career in finance, while CMA is intended for management accounting. The main requirement from CA, CGA, and CMA is to have a bachelor's degree and practical experience before obtaining a professional degree certification. Development of accounting in Indonesia. When Indonesia became independent in there was only on a native accountant, namely Prof. Dr. Abu Tari. At that time, Prof. Soemarjo had not completed his account education in the Netherlands. He only completed his accounting education. Basuki Sidrata, Hendra Darmawan, Tan Tongjo, and Gotisem were the first Indonesian accountants who were domestic graduates and graduates in Professor Dr. Soemarjo, together with the four of the infinite, the establishment of the Indonesian Accounting Association. One Thursday, October, the five accountants held a meeting in the hall of the University of Indonesia and agreed to establish the Indonesian Accountants Association. In the early stage, the preparation committee for the establishment of the Indonesian Accounts Association was formed because at the time the meeting was not attended by all existing accounts. So the task of the committee was to contact other accountants to ask their opinions on the proposal to establish the Indonesian Accountants Association. I hope you understand what I explained. Bye!